baby bird on me. Uh-oh. Can you see the baby bird on me? What am I going to do? I got this baby bird on my shirt. Ooh. Okay. There's the other baby bird. I still have this baby bird attached to me. And there's another one that just got out of the nest. Oh dear, how do I... Oh! There it goes, onto my computer. Don't poop on my laptop now. Okay, honey, you're scared. You're scaredy bird. You were clinging to my shirt, sweetie. Oh my goodness. Baby bird, you need to be back in the nest. That was their nest. There's one of the birds. So far I've counted about 5 or 6 birds. Baby birds. Trying to get ready to go camping. Obviously, I'm a little distracted now by the baby birds. Their first day learning how to fly. I'm very honored they chose my garden to be born in. Yeah. That one is still sitting on my laptop. Goodness gracious. How am I going to get it out of there? I don't really want it to bite me or something. Alright. Get back. Go on. Go on. Come on. Come on. Good birdie. The other leg now. Come on. The other leg. Put your other leg on there. Good girl. Good birdie. Close up the laptop so no birds get in that. Don't need to be taking any baby birds to camp. Oh, you poor little thing. You must be scared. Okay, there's the one in the windowsill, one down on the ground past the bird bath. There's one in the tree over there. Poor baby birds.